What if your dream job is out there, but you're invisible to the hiring company and recruiter? Well, that's why I made this video, to give you the top 3 LinkedIn tips that will help you land a job faster. Now, if you've followed me for some time, you know I'm a career coach, recruiter, and I usually do not sound like this. I'm a little under the weather, but wanted to still make this video because it's critical for you to land that job in 2025 by using LinkedIn. As a recruiter myself, when I'm searching for a great candidate like you, it might be slightly difficult and challenging because you haven't updated your profile in the manner where it's searchable and findable by these recruiters and hiring companies. So let's walk through the top 3 proven tips to make you searchable. LinkedIn tip number 1 for using LinkedIn to land a job, and that is to use keywords everywhere, meaning every single section of your LinkedIn profile has to have keywords that align to the jobs that you are targeting, that align to your technical expertise. Because when a recruiter and when a hiring company is searching for candidates on LinkedIn, they're typing in these keywords. For example, if they're looking to hire a finance manager, they're going to type in FP&A, financial analysis, financial modeling. If they do not find these words on your profile, they will hesitate to reach out to you. So be sure within your headline, your about section, your experience, your education, your skills, that it's loaded up with these keywords. And I'll give you some insider knowledge as well. If you're new to this channel, I'm Rita Baroody, career success coach, recruiter. I made this channel to empower you through your job search, to share the best strategies, and for you to land a job faster. Please subscribe and I'll continue to add more value to you. So when I search for a role that my hiring company is hiring for, I will input these words into Recruiter, a tool that's leveraged by hiring companies to hire professionals like you. So they can see that you are active on LinkedIn and you're looking for a job. So when they search for you, they might input, again, financial analysis, financial modeling, FP&A, finance. And once they input that, your whole profile will show up with highlights. So it's going to highlight the keywords on your profile. Now, if you only have finance or a technical word in one section, that's only one highlight. That's not attractive. If you want your profile to be attractive, searchable, findable, you want highlights all over your profile, from your headline, about, experience, education, and skills. And so that is going to make you a more attractive candidate. Tip number 2 on using LinkedIn to land a job, and that is to optimize your open to work setting. This is not just about flipping the switch on, mentioning you're open to work. We have to make sure it's working in your favor. And what do I mean by this? Let's max out on each individual section of open to work. Do not just put one title, one location. Avoid doing that. Put the max of 5 titles. Select 5 titles that are relevant. And don't just select 5. Select the ones that best align with your experience and what you are targeting. Same goes for location. The biggest mistake I see here is someone might say, I'm open to the whole United States. Okay, great. That's awesome. You have flexibility where you can work. But what you need to do is be more specific. Which locations are you ready to commit to? Are you ready to relocate somewhere? If not, just put where you are and make sure it's a metropolitan area. For example, you're not just selecting New York. You're selecting New York City metropolitan. For example, you're not just selecting Miami. You're selecting Miami, Fort Lauderdale area. So that covers more companies when you select area versus only the city. Tip number 3 on how to use LinkedIn to land a job. And that is network with the right people. And what do I mean by this? Don't just send connection requests to peers and to whoever. You want this to be targeted on LinkedIn. If you are targeted and not just blasting connection requests, that's going to be a better strategy. If you're just trying to connect with peers, okay, great. You want a referral from a peer, but they're not the decision maker. They don't have the influence. Think through who you send a connection request to, who has the ability to influence the hiring authority, who has the ability to make an exception to bring you in to the interview process. It's not going to be a peer, unfortunately. It could happen, but it's unlikely that that person is going to help you land the job faster. What's more likely going to help you land the job faster using LinkedIn is going straight to the hiring authority and using the right messaging. It's not about sending a generic message. Send a generic message, you won't receive a response. And if you receive a response, the likelihood of them fast tracking you to landing a job is going to be slim to none. Where I see professionals that I assist in my job search optimization program, the #1 program to help you land a job faster is when they are personalized, targeted with their messaging and networking on LinkedIn. And that's what we focus on in my program, Job Search Optimization. I'm going to have a link for you. If you would like to learn more, please apply. Only really considering high-performing professionals that want to land the job faster, that are ready to use proven strategies to make them the best candidate. If you're not ready to do that, please do not apply. Now, the networking piece with the messaging, a quick tactic that you can use is align your experience to the job and make sure you're researching LinkedIn to identify your potential boss. And that person holds the keys to that job opportunity. It's not HR, it's not talent acquisition, it's the hiring boss who's going to drive and influence things further. So don't be shy. Connect with those leaders with the right message, and you will be successful. Again, if you would like to learn more about my job search optimization program, where I've helped thousands of professionals land the right opportunity faster, and we have intimate conversations in my group, feel free to apply below. The link will be included. I'm super happy that I still get to use my voice, even though it doesn't sound the best right now, to help you land a job faster on LinkedIn. If you have questions, put them in the comments, like this video. Would love to hear from you. And if you're tired of the guessing game of what to do on LinkedIn, how to optimize your whole profile, you want to save time, you don't want to struggle anymore, check out my next video. It's going to give you my LinkedIn Secrets for Job Seekers program. That is the only thing you need to fast track your success. You can get it done in a couple of hours following proven strategies and the exact roadmap. Feel free to click the link below. Make sure to watch this quick video.